So many times here at Texas Tile Works, clients come in and they have a style or a color type of flooring that they have chosen already, and it may not be so practical for their activities at home or for their family. So here are the top 3 things to consider when choosing your flooring design. So the first thing is know your style. Know the colors you're looking for, the styles, textures. What type of textures do you like? Do you like rich, grainy, like for wood floors, or do you like the sleek look of tile? Another thing is think about your current decor. The flooring that you have chosen, does it go with your current style that you have in your home and your accessories? So the second factor to consider would be your lifestyle. How do you use your room that you're planning to install your floor in? So a lot of people will choose flooring based on looks, not considering if it needs to be waterproofed or not. This plays a huge factor when you have lots of spills with kids or even your pets. Crunch numbers. This is a very important factor that many people forget to calculate their budget. If you have existing flooring, think about the removal process, think about the disposal, your delivery, and your installation costs. Calculating some of these costs can be overwhelming. I can help you with that. Please call me at 512-253-4922. Or better yet, come visit me at the showroom. We're located at 717 Chestnut Street, Bastrop, Texas. We have a wide variety of flooring to choose from. So we'll work on your budget. You can choose a flooring that you like and take a sample home with you. If you consider these 3 factors, you'll make a better decision and you'll be happier in the end. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you in your next project.